Here in the heart of Bodoland, where peace now blooms and culture thrives, rises Baokhungri, a sacred climb steeped in devotion, a hill that holds the soul of our people and the legacy of harmony. From games that echo our roots to feasts that flavor our land, Baokhungri Festival is a celebration of unity, joy and tradition. In Bodoland, prosperity is no longer a dream. It's the air we breathe, the rhythm we dance to, and the stories we share. Baokhungri Festival 2025. Experience the soul of a land reborn, in peace, in pride, in Bodoland.